Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the show tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix MacBook keeps turning on automatically. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. Solution 1. Check and disable Wake for network access. Go to the settings menu on your MacBook. Here click on battery. Then click on options. Click the pop-up menu next to Wake for network access and choose Never. Here enter the administrator's name and password. Solution 2. Prevent startup on lid open or power connection. Click on the search bar at the top right corner of your MacBook screen. Here search for terminal. Here type sudo space from space boot preferences is equals to %00. Then click on enter button. Then enter your MacBook password. After that, close this window and shut down your MacBook. For that, click on Apple logo and click on shutdown. After that, turn on your MacBook and see if your problem is resolved or not. That's it for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.